Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Commonwealth of Virginia. Welcome back. Headed today towards Wintergreen Resort, located in Nellysford, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Working with 1,003 feet of vertical today, 24 total trails there at the resort, and they're all going to be open. So another week and another Mid-Atlantic mountain with every single trail open. So what more could you honestly ask for? We're looking at the slush coast today. These are going to be the highest temperatures that we've skied in this season. Supposed to get around 50 degrees there in the afternoon today. 3.4 shred score was assessed here in the past. No new score today, I don't believe. It's been nice getting back to the Mid-Atlantic and just kind of, I had other plans at the beginning of the season, but seeing that conditions have been so good in the local areas, the local mountains, I might as well go to them again and give them a real showcase. A lot of places to stay, a lot of lodging. It seems like there's a lot of family-friendly activities in the area, and even seems like will be one of those places in the summer that's great too. Looking forward to getting out there on the hill, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. All right, folks, welcome to Wintergreen Resort here in Virginia. What a day it is. Conditions, slush, ice, broom, everything you want. It's all here. All right, folks, welcome to Wintergreen Resort here in Virginia. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Wintergreen Resort, located in Nellysford, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. Our first over 50-degree day here in the Mid-Atlantic. A bunch of rainfall came through last night and turned it into some slush, but honestly, fun, playful runs here at Wintergreen. The crowds weren't even too bad for a Saturday, but there's plenty of places to stay. Definitely beginner-friendly trails everywhere. Pretty good vertical, over 1,000 feet here in Virginia. Who would have known? Next week, I think I'm going to be headed to Winter Place there in Ghent, West Virginia. Not sure yet, but looking forward to getting out there on the hill. And I'll see y'all next time.